starts now. What is growth? Watch these 3 videos and I will explain growth for you.
Hey, let's make a deal. If you remember the video I'm about to show you, you may follow. Deal? Deal. CapCut Pro is free. CapCut Pro is free. You heard me right. In my last video,
this is the 4 of my 7 days consistency challenge. I know many of you do wonder, do I need to have a cool space before I can start creating content for my YouTube channel? No, you don't. Did you watch the 3 videos? If I tell you that all this video was shot in the same place with the same phone, would you believe? I know you would doubt it, like all this video was shot with the same phone. Well, I shot all this video with the same phone, Samsung A24. That's to show you that it's not all content I shot with iPhone. All this video was shot on the same phone. And what did you notice in the 3 videos? There are basically 3 things that changed in each video. See, let me use these 3 videos to explain growth for you. The first video was my first ever content on YouTube with basically no knowledge on YouTube. And I have no equipment, yes, no lights, no microphone, no studio. Even till now, I don't have a studio. I'm currently using my dining table. Or feeling like I didn't have this or that before I continued. But that did not stop from creating content. Yes, I continued and what? I improved more. So my next video, which is my second video, which is CapCut Pro is free. I had learned little editing skills, but I had improved more in my video by getting a microphone, yes, to help the audio quality of my video. Lights, not even light alone, but I was using the lamp at home because I couldn't afford a LED light pro by that time. So I did not let it to stop me. I gathered all the light at home for me to use to create content. Yes, because some people will be like, I don't have lights now, so my content change. Use the lamp at home. Use the lamp at home. Let's see, breeze really want to fall. So let me quickly hurry up. Use the lamp at home to create your content. Use the lamp at home, yes. And the third video is the behind the scene of where I show you what it takes to create good content, yes, or what it takes to create video. So in summary of all these videos I showed you, there is growth in each of the video. So the 3 things I improved in my video are: number 1, I improved in the video quality. See, I spent money to get equipment. I'm not waiting, but you need to pay me now if I buy lights. But you need to pay me now if I before I buy microphone. Because I know that's what most people are doing, and there is no improvement in their video. If you check some people's video from the first day I created content till now, or the first day that they created YouTube video till now, there's no one improvement, there's no one change, there's no one, you cannot even say any difference. Almost the same thing, like it's just the same. Nobody say there's no violence on post video, there is, but there's no improvement in the video. They didn't even learn how to create thumbnail, they didn't learn how to make their title into SEO description. They just used to just put like consistency will help me. Please learn how to work on your video. I'm saying it again, learn how to work on your video. See, I'm not saying you can't buy a light and say, because you now have light, or you can't do this. No, I'm not saying that. You can use the ray of the sun. Yes, you can stay in the sun place where the sun will shine on your eye and you use it. Yes. See, I'm not saying you should buy a new phone because you want to start creating content. No, you can use the one that you are pressing on currently. But what? Try to add lighting to your video. It helps increase the quality of your video. 1, the quality of your camera. Yes. Let's say you cannot even afford light. As I said before, use a lamp at home. Yes, it will help you a lot. That's what I used to do. So number 2, I improve in the audio quality of my channel. I bought a microphone for just 9k or something like that, sha. If you watch my videos, you can hear me clearly. So try to get a microphone, because some people when they are speaking, we cannot hear them. Their audio quality is bad. And if you cannot afford to get a microphone, save up. That job, save money. Do 1k, save 500, say this thing. Before you know it, your money will complete. Yes, your money will complete. When your money is complete, you'll be able to afford it. Let's even say you can never afford to buy a microphone. Say you don't want to buy 2 in 1. you can buy the single one. Like, for example, now this is the microphone. Let me show you. Sorry, I'm back. I'm using this microphone for my content. Yeah, this is my microphone for my content. Yeah, so try to get the microphone for your content so that it makes sense. So number 3, I improved by not waiting for the perfect time. Yes. See, there's a quote that I saw on Instagram that says, if you wait till you have it all, you started too late. Which means you can never start with a perfect video. Yes. Start with what you have. You can never have it all. Yes. If I say, I'm waiting now, I don't have lights from here. There's no lights from here. There's only lights from here. I will not create one single video. Yes. Oh, there's another quote that says, which says, if you wait until you are ready, it's almost certainly that what you started too late. Exactly, because there is no perfect time. If you start up your YouTube channel or a business, you have to be patient and always pray. Don't lean on your understanding alone. Try to improve. Watch videos to improve. I'm not saying those videos, turn this on, turn that on, turn this off. No. Try to improve. Like, how will I make my audio clear? How would I make my video nice? That is how you will see growth in your channel. Yes. Not that you will just be static. You will be doing the same video over and over and again, and you say your video to grow, or you say your channel to grow. Your thumbnail is bad, your title is bad, your channel is not organized, no playlist, only just streaming, doing live, doing this one. I just want to be the watch hour. Let me tell you, you will be the watch hour. The 4,000 watch hour, you will beat it. Say amen. 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 You will be the watch hour. Yes. You will now sit down and now start learning how to get the $100 requirement. Yes. Because by that time, you don't have a community again. You just did the stream for those that will just come and watch elephant posts, lion posts, critical posts. By that time, you don't have a community. So, the channel will just be stagnant. You will post a long form video using 10 views, 5 views, 15 views, highest 50 views. Because of what? You did not grow community. So please improve in your community. Learn how to grow a community. Don't just rush the process. I explain why I should not rush the process in this video. Yes. So my advice is for you to work on your video and don't rush to monetize. Yes. So I hope you understand these 3 videos and see growth in 3 of them. So my advice is for you to work on your video, work on it. Don't just rush to monetize your channel by streaming, and you now start struggling to hit the $100 threshold. No. See, one thing is those big YouTubers that you are like, that you are seeing them, they all started from somewhere, not having everything at once. See, they all started learning more along the way of posting by improving. I want you to know that lighting plays a very important role in your video. I want to off this light to show you the function of light. See something. Do you see how my camera is without light? You see how it is? So that's to show you that light plays an important role. So now see the function of light. You see how my face came clearer back, neater. Like, that is the function of light. But when there's no need to buy light for a video now. What does this light and do? Don't mind them. Buy light for your video. Use light for your video. Use light. See, let's assume you cannot even have as phone like that. Light is too expensive. Use ray of sun. I want you to, there's no perfect video. If I show you all my videos on YouTube, see, are you seeing my videos on YouTube? If I show you my videos on YouTube, you will see error. You see error in them, or is it the quality, or is it the shyness? It's very obvious. But anytime I want to quit on YouTube, so let me tell you, anytime I want to quit on YouTube, I go to my comment section. I see how far I have inspired people. I see how far people have enjoyed my content. I see how far people have enjoyed my video quality and everything. And I want you to know, procrastination kills dreams. See, and I thank God for improvements in my channel. Note, I want you to know, it isn't a matter of how many subscribers you have on YouTube, how many subscribers you have around the world. It's a matter of how many people you have impacted, how many people you have inspired, how many people have learned from your video, how many people you have educated. Some people might not tell you, but they are looking up to you on your YouTube channel. Yes, they're not looking for you to follow, but they're looking up to you in your YouTube channel. So let me tell you, I have met some amazing souls on YouTube, like Ivy's channel, Kalin Crew, Kalin World, Rita Self-Care Beauty, Monique Agenda Aganda, Monique Ozu, Dreamland, Grow with Dara TV. Yes, those are my recent friends. Smart Victory Comedy, Lee/Model Lifestyle. Yes, and many more good viewers. I can see people, but you cannot see me. I can see you. So thank you all to my subscriber who do comment on my posts. So I would love to end my video like this. If you keep waiting for the perfect time to do something or to start up a channel, you would never be able to start. And you won't see any improvement in your channel unless you start. See, no one started as a master. I would love to say this quote from Prince EA, which says, "No one gets it right, yes, the first time." Even the best people that you see on YouTube were once beginners who messed up and made mistake. Just start and you can figure it out as you go. So just start. I want you to know the first step is always hard, because you can get discouraged when you post a video, like you spend hours to edit, spend hours to do this, and you don't see any views in your videos. Like you don't see any views in your videos. You did all the YouTube tricks, tips, turn this on, add hashtag, add keywords, add keyframe, add playlist, add this one, add that one, add this one. See, and instead of not getting any views. I want you to know, be consistent and be hardworking. And what? Always pray. What did I say? Prayer is the key. Always pray. So I hope this video has motivated you to explain. I hope this video has motivated you to start up a YouTube channel. And this video, I have explained the growth for you already. So don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell, and what? See you in my next video. I am Bolu.